Hi everyone. Good evening. नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम. I hope you're all well, fine, healthy, safe. आज हम एक और important contest की डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जिसके क्वेश्चन बहुत ही अमेजिंग होते हैं एंड इट इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड बाय वन ऑफ द करंट बेस्ट मैथमेटिशियंस इन दिस एरा, टीटू एंडिस्कू. बहुत सारी बुक्स आती हैं इनकी एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज़ वन कॉन्टेस्ट विच इज़ एंटायरली डिज़ाइंड बाय द प्रोफेसर द डॉक्टर टीटू एंडिस्कू एंड उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. इट्स अ फ्री कॉन्टेस्ट एंड not only school going students but also the college going students also, the mathematics enthusiasts who are well passed out of college can actually attempt this paper and it's a team event, right? So it's a team event. तुम्हें team बनानी पड़ती है and ultimately as a team you enter this contest and help each other and again win and lose as a team, right? So start करते हैं इसके बारे में and Olympiad batches for the coming season, April से जो शुरू होने वाले हैं, they are going to be announced very 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 soon and we are all excited to bring you these amazing batches that we have. Alright, so मेरे मन तुम जानते हो, this is an important ID. This is something that you can note down. Abhay 86 Mahajan Sir, always get in touch with me for any kind of help related to mathematics Olympiad preparation at this Telegram ID. And if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe because you don't want to be missing out on this awesome information that we are going to give and we are giving on this particular channel. It is not only about the contest but also the content that we have, the kind of content that we deliver, all kinds of mathematical information that we have on this particular channel. You don't want to be missing out on this. So subscribe कर लो अगर तुम subscribe नहीं किया है. So Purple Comet Math Meet. This is the contest and it's a very famous contest. The good part is, the best part is, it is free of cost. So anyone can actually attempt this. So even if you're alone, you can actually attempt this. The bad part is, since it is free, there is no reward other than recognition, right? So that is the other thing, and again it makes sense. But again, all the math lovers around the world, जितने भी maths के enthusiasts हैं पूरे global level पे, they make sure that जब ये meet होता है, जब ये contest होता है, ये वो team बनाकर इस contest को देते ही देते हैं because बहुत ही awesome questions होते हैं. And I'll मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊंगा भी. I'll make you look at some of the questions that have come in Purple Comet Math Meet. मेरे बहुत सारे YouTube sessions जो होते हैं IOQM related, उसके अंदर the questions are inspired by Purple Comet previous year papers. Alright, so let's briefly discuss. तो एक तो भाई इसका registration start होने वाला है 1st Feb से till the end of the contest, right? So again I'm being a little early in announcing this, but again वो मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ वो भी एक important चीज़ है because last year also I announced this on YouTube. लास्ट year से भी हम कर रहे हैं. लास्ट year तो हमने बहुत सारे टीम्स को कंडक्ट करवाया था. We were the supervisors of a lot of team. But what happens is, since it's a team event, the students are not able to make the teams, at the last minute. So again, I want to give you enough time. It's a team event. Find people who are like you. Find people who like mathematics. Find people, who complement you in solving the mathematical problems. And ultimately, your team should be ready well before. So registration is going to start on 1st of February and it is going to go until the end of contest. मतलब last day भी तुम team बनाकर contest दे सकते हो. Fees is free. Exam dates 2nd April to 11 April. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सारे के सारे दिन contest होगा. Basically, you will have to make a team and there is going to be a supervisor. So again, एक supervisor भी होगा. So supervisor can be any person. He can be your parent, mentor, school teacher, anyone who is above 21 years of age. ठीक है? And he may or may not be a teacher. He can be your parent also. But 21 साल से ऊपर होना चाहिए. And so again, he will be supervising. So again, he will be giving you, as per your dates availability, he will be giving you one date, one slot in between these dates. And सब लोग team discuss करके एक slot देगी, उस पे ये team contest होगा. And so this is how it goes. Again, तो ये 2nd April से 11 April का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हर रोज contest है. You will have to choose a time as per your availability between this. More about it. So again, middle school grade. So again, ये यहाँ पे इसमें 8 categories हैं basically. So again, there are middle school, high school, non-competitive schools. So again, as I said, these are school going students नहीं. So if you are a mathematics enthusiast, again, you can form a team maximum of 6 and give this contest as non-competent. ठीक है, तो उसमें वहाँ पे कभी भी मतलब योर मार्क्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी रिवील्ड, तुम्हारे मार्क्स रिवील नहीं होंगे, बट आई मीन फॉर मैथ्स एंथुसियास्ट्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल who are 40s and 50s, they make sure that they form team and give this particular context. So 6 to 8 ka number of questions are 20 and you have to solve it in 60 minutes as a team. And for high school grade 9 to 12, the number of questions are 30 and duration is 90. So these the 30 questions are really good, right? So starting a question थोड़े से आसान होते हैं, but again as we move on, the questions are top quality and they involve and they require the problem solving ability. And मैं ये ज़रूर चाहूँगा सब बच्चे जो यहाँ पे इस चैनल को फॉलो करते हैं, हमारे स्टूडेंट है, they every year our students make teams amongst each other and they try to give. अब यहाँ पर क्या है, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि सर जो टीम्स बना रहे हैं, do they have to be from the same school? No, right? So again there are a couple of options. So again, as I said, there are different categories. So again, there are same school, middle school, same school category, middle school, mixed school category, high school, same school category, high school, mixed school category. So अगर 5-6 ऐसे बच्चे अलग अलग स्कूल से हैं, then also they can form a team and ultimately compete with each other. Now how it works, ठीक है, तो ये इनकी साइड से ही मैंने पोस्टर से उठाया है. So each team is required to have an adult supervisor. As I told, supervisor can be any person. He can be your teacher, he can be your parent. Any person who is above 21 years of age can be a supervisor. And अगर एक supervisor है तो इसका मतलब, I mean, a supervisor can manage more than one team, right? So if there are multiple teams, they can elect together one supervisor and he will be managing multiple teams. Supervisors need to register at the contest website. After registration, supervisors can sign up as many teams as they want. So supervisors can sign up as many teams. Each team may have from 1 to 6 students. So maximum students can be 6, minimum can be 1. During the contest period from Tuesday, April 2 to Thursday, April 11, the supervisor selects a time to start each team's clock. Again, so they have to have a common time. तो इनके बीच में common time में clock start होगी. Once the team clock is started, the team members may begin working contest problems. Contest problems appear on the team's screen and supervisors can provide the printed versions also. Middle school teams have 60 minutes to work on 24 problems. High school teams 9 to 12 has 90 minutes to work on 30 problems. Each problem has a solution. Each problem has a solution that is non-negative integer. ठीक है, जो IOQM का पैटर्न होता है. Teams may submit Teams may submit solutions to problems until the clocks run out. After the end of the contest, the name of the winning teams are posted on the contest website and of course, right? So this is how it's a very very simple contest, free of cost है. And again, मुझे लगता है कि सभी के सभी मैथमेटिक्स एंथुसियास्ट को ज़रूर देना चाहिए. मैं एक बार इनकी साइट पे भी तुम्हें दिखा देता हूँ. So this is the site purplecomet.org and यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है the team registration is going to begin on February 1st, 2024, right? So again there is still time, but again, why am I telling this early? Because I want you to work on the teams. हमारे VOS के अंदर बहुत सारे बैचेज हैं, तो यहाँ पर तो मतलब if you are in the same batch, of course there is this Telegram community also. They can work together and of course every year they work together and form a team and ultimately register for this contest. And otherwise also non-VOS teams, people from VS, non-VS also can be clubbed together and they ultimately form their teams, right? So एक तो मैं पहले यहाँ पे contest rules तुम यहाँ पे check कर लो. So it's a team competition, adult supervisor. So again, these are all the things that I've already mentioned, but again you can always see this whenever you have time. So these are the 8 categories: middle school level for small school teams, middle school level for large school teams, mixed school teams, and non-competitive. Non-competitive matlab if you don't want to compete and just like solving math problems, then also you can compete. यहाँ पर non-competitive में your scores are not going to be public. And again, high school level, that is 9 to 12 for small school, for large schools, for mixed schools. Mixed schools means if their students are from different schools, then also they can form a team. And high school level for non-competitive skills. ठीक है, and right, so everything is mentioned about. So again, यहाँ पे the important part is the judges and the designers are, one of the designers is T2 Endisco, which I believe is one of the best mathematician in today's time. You know, he has a lot of books, Olympiad books, a lot of work to his name. In fact, US की जो team होती है, I mean, he mentors the US IMO team every year. Right, so this is about it, the contest rules. And FAQs यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, quick start, right? So everything is mentioned. So contest information के बारे में भी तुम यहाँ पे पढ़ सकते हो. So 4 categories, teams whose members all attend the same large school, same small school. Large school, small school को भी define किया हुआ है. Mixed schools, normally जो हमारे बच्चे होते हैं वो mixed schools में होते हैं because you know they are from different schools. So normally the third category opt करते हैं, right? So contest information, list all teams, old contest. अब old contest में just have a look at some of the problems that they've been asking, right? तो एक तो PDF है and यहाँ पे answers हैं, right? So some of the problems, for example, last year के हम problems उठा लेते हैं. This is high school के questions है. The positive integer 2011, 2012, 2013, 20 up to 2023 has 52 digits. Without changing the order of any digit, any 32 of the digits can be removed. Find the greatest 20-digit number that can be produced in this way, right? So again, involves logical thinking and nothing else. But as we move on, the question का जो level है वही वो बहुत ही amazing हो जाता है, right? So amazing question. अब इसके अंदर of course vectors are also involved because you know 11th and 12th में normally across the globe vectors algebra is one thing which is very common. Trigonometry is also involved. So right, so this is about high school students of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So basic geometry, Euclidean geometry, ये सब चीजें नहीं हैं. But again, the questions are amazing. They are very amazing questions. And again, I would totally suggest someone who is preparing for IOQM also, these kind of contests should always go for this kind of contest. And अगर यहाँ पे 8th and below की अगर हम बात करें, so 8th and below, so these are the kind of questions. Find the sum of least positive 4 integers whose sum of the digits is 12. ठीक है, तो again critical thinking से तुम्हें वो निकालने, they're not very difficult to solve. Profit and loss and but again as we move on, यहाँ पर भी level काफ़ी अच्छा होता रहता है, right? So for example, एक 8th class के बच्चे से 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है and ये भी इसका आंसर नहीं निकालना है. Find the greatest prime that divides. So इसका prime factorization निकालना है, right? So and basic geometry. So it's a very amazing contest and it is particularly designed for mathematics lovers, right? So that is why I'm here 5 days early than the registration, that if you are interested, you can form your team. So again, take this time to form teams, find the like-minded people around you. If you are studying anywhere in any of the batches, वहाँ से like-minded बच्चे उठाओ, team बनाओ, supervisor choose karo, and ultimately do register for this particular contest. Yes, last to last year, we made a lot of teams from Vedantu Olympiad school and we were supervisors also. But again, we did not do it last year, and this year also we're not supervising any of the teams. So again, I suggest you to choose your own supervisor. It can be a school teacher or one of the parents of the team members. Yes. So that's it, guys. This was about it, and all the best for this contest also. And इस तरह के और contest की information मैं देता रहूँगा. Whatever contests are coming up, in the coming months, March, April, May में जो भी होंगे मैं उनकी information देता रहूँगा. And for this information, do subscribe to this particular channel. Take care. God bless you. Bye everyone. If there are any other questions and if any other contest that you want me to elaborate on, do mention that in the comment section. Take care. God bless you. Bye everyone. Yeah, gaming with VOS. Is there a question? I'm in 11th now. I was unable to write IOQM. But no, Josh, bache, it's a very, very strict rule. And so, see, if we make exception for one person, it will not be fair to everyone else, right? So there are going to be no exceptions for this. I'm in class 7. So अगर बच्चे class 7 में हो रहे हैं तो you need to fill up for the middle school category. Middle school category के अंदर eligible होगे तो. ठीक है? चलो. Can you be a supervisor? No, बच्चे. I'm really sorry. I will not be able to do that. last year, our team did that for a lot of teams in Vedantu Olympiad school, but we have not been doing this for the last 2 years. Chalo guys, take care. If there are any other questions, do mention that in the comment section. We'll definitely answer. Yeah. So Deepa, this is for every student across the globe, not only Indian students. Indians तो चलो बहुत कम देते हैं. So again, we are trying to promote this in India so that a lot of Indian students give this. But majority it is students outside India who are, and anyone who is math lover is can give this. It's a free of cost contest. ठीक है? चलो, take care. God bless you. Bye everyone.